Today we will learn how we can access a Linux server remotely using SSH. So let's get started. So log into your server and open up terminal. First thing we will have to do is update the repository list. So run the command sudo apt-get update. Hit enter. This will take some time to update the repository list. Okay, so our repository list is updated. Now we will run the command sudo apt-get upgrade. Okay, so we are done with the update and upgrade. Now let's clear the screen. Now we will install the OpenSSH server. So run the command sudo apt-get install OpenSSH server. Hit enter. Press Y and hit enter. Installation will take some time, so wait till the installation is done. Okay, so installation is complete. Now let's clear the screen. Now we will configure the OpenSSH server. So run sudo nano /etc/sshd_config. Hit enter. So over here at the end of this file we will add a allow users LOS lab. So I have a user called LOS lab, so I only want to give LOS lab to access the server remotely. So over here I will have to write allow users LOS lab. If you want to give more than one users the access, so you'll have to put space and give the username. So now we will save the file, Ctrl+X, Y, enter. So now we will restart the OpenSSH server. Sudo service SSHD restart. Okay, now let's check the IP address of the server. So to check the IP address, the command is if config. Now over here we are using Wi-Fi, so it will be WLAN 0 and our IP is 192.168.31.5. So we will have to remember the IP address of the server. Let's clear the screen. Now I am on my remote computer and I am running Windows operating system in my remote computer. So in Windows you need an application called Putty. You can download Putty from putty.org. So Putty is freely available. Download it and install it. After installing Putty, open Putty and you will get a window like this. So in host name you will have to provide the server's IP address. My server IP address is 192.168.31.5. Port will be 22. Now click on open. So after you click on open, it will ask for login as, that is your username. So here my username is LOS lab. Hit enter and it will ask for the password. So provide the password and hit enter. Now you are connected to your remote server and you can perform any command or task.